A platform of the cryptocurrency insurance for the risk cover. Ethereum Fire Insurance ETHFI is a cryptocurrency that is initially released 60% around 60% gold backed coin is completely, you can say, a decentralized, and also it is free from the manipulation by any single entity. That is basically the Ethereum Fire Insurance all about. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Expert Studio. Today we are going to share all the major things regarding Ethereum Fire Insurance, and especially I will tell you the major benefits of the insurance plan. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update. First of all, I will tell you that how you can apply the insurance plan. For example, I am going to click over here on the insurance plan. Then I am going to click on the life risk cover plan. Okay, when you are going to click on the life risk cover plan, then basically a new page will basically open in front of you where you can see the major things how you can apply the insurance plan. But these factors, you can say, these depends on you. First of all, for example, the amount of life insurance coverage you need will depend on many factors. The first one is how many dependents you have, what kind of lifestyle you want to provide for the family. The third one is what kind of lifestyle you want to provide for the family, how much you need for your children's education, what your investment needs are, what your affordability is. So this is basically depends on you first of all. So right now here you can see each and everything regarding the main thing, that how you can basically okay, you can say the okay how you can basically how you can basically buy the main thing, especially the insurance plan, how you can buy it. It is entirely very simple. The second thing is this. For example, if you want to if you want to take the health cover plan, then at this time health insurance plan 2 years deposits premium only and only $1,200 native tokens. For example, if you have Ethereum Fire Insurance token ETHFI, so you can easily buy the main insurance, the premium insurance of health insurance. It is entirely easy for you, so you can easily buy it from here. Here you can see it by yourself only with the $200. At this time you can basically buy only $1,200, you can say only $1,200 native tokens Ethereum Fire Insurance ETHFI. So you can easily buy the health insurance for yourself first of all. Now the second thing, how you can basically claim this, how to make a claim. It is entirely very easy. For example, I'm going to click over here on the insurance claim. So it is entirely easy. For example, if you want to claim your insurance, the claim intimation, okay, you can say it should contain information like the date, place and cause of death. That is the main thing. The insurance agent has the duty to help the life assured's family assign to deal with the insurance company to fulfill the formalities for a claim. Filled up the claim form, as I will basically show you each and everything over here. First of all, you have to basically fill up this one form, the certificate of death, the policy unique number, the policy pin code. Here you can see it by yourself, the policy pin code number, and then form of discharge executed and witnessed. You just have to fill all these things and then you'll be able to basically claim your insurance. It is entirely very easy on this platform. You don't need to go anywhere. You just have to pay them only and only $1,200 native the native tokens ETHFI, and then you'll be able to claim your insurance. And in this video, as I told you, that it is entirely very easy. And if you have some more questions, you must have to read each and everything on their white paper, because they elaborate all the things in their white paper, so you will easily learn each and everything regarding the main things, especially how to take the insurance plan, how to claim the insurance plan, and how to pay for the insurance plan. And as I am telling you again and again, that it is your time, that at this time you have the chance to pay them at this time only with the native token ETHFI, and only with $1,200 you will be able to basically complete up your first insurance plan. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button, and if you have any type of questions regarding the platform or regarding, you can say, the insurance plans and everything, so you must have to basically comment. You can comment directly in the video, or you can directly message the team on their public, you can say, the main social medias, because the team is there for you 24/7. Thanks a lot.